Hey, what's going on, YouTube? So this is the most recent that I've gotten completed on this 1964 Chevy Impala lowrider. So I've done some custom stuff to it from what the model kit came, such as that right there. Gave it a 3-wheel motion. Of course, no actual working hydraulics. I actually put in a spring right there, not from the model kit. Lay down some flocking on the upholstery, flat white on the seats. Remove the cables that were on that molding and actually put on some cables. And then as far as for this tubing, it was a 28 gauge stainless steel wire. And I've done that. No, it's not the best. It's my first model car ever. But I'm trying to go as much as realistic as possible, such as the wiring from the joysticks. Trying to put all these emblems in, and as much as I can as far as like hyper realistic detailing on the engine. Now I know the spark plug wires don't look that great. I was using like a hot glue stick on that and stretching out the glue on it. But I've watched several videos and gotten several ideas from other hobbyists, and kind of went with this right here. Now this right here, now the model kit comes with that plastic molding, but this is actually a rubber. It's not wire gauge. It is actually an O-ring that I've cut to fit. And these right here are actually metal tubing that I've fitted around the hose to act as, you know, a clamp. And then I've installed those brake lines right there. Type of wiring harness right there. And got the brake booster hose on there on the back. So if you like the video, guys, hit me with a like. If you want to subscribe, I'll be posting out some more videos down the road. I am waiting right now for this to fully cure so I can finally wet sand. Still gotta get some emblems on there. Wet sand, and then add a 2K clear coat on this. Got a little bit of dust. That's what the purpose of the wet sand. Drilled some holes on that exhaust as well. Got the little decals on the pumps. Trying to do the best I could, but I hope you guys like it. I hope you hit me up with a like. Leave a comment. Thank you.